Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to combine videos on TikTok. First guys, go on the third selection or the create section on your account section, and then also you can go and click on the plus icon by choosing the tapping option. Then what you need to do is just simply on your right wing you have an upload option. Go click on it and then choose videos that you want to combine in this selection. For example, we'll go with this video, also with this one, scrolling down looking for this one and this one. Now I need to go on the next. On my right side you need to wait for a loading and read all link on the main page, which is included the most important things. Here you can see, just you need to go on the side or the second selection that says adjust clips. Click on that, and here as you can see are the adjusting side for this clip. What you need simply to do is just you can select how many seconds you want to get it this video. Also you can change the selection of this video, and also you have an option for changing the frame and the making up on the video. For example, this video I can go on from last to first, and you can do it to all both the same side. Now guys, what just simply need to do is just going on default. Here as you can see it is much viewer, and here the videos are much better, but I will go with the first selection and then I'll go on the safe side. And here guys, as you can see, we have combined videos in TikTok. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.